Buddy, and today we're going to be learning how to make bacon. Here we go. And first you need is 4 or 5 napkins, a plate, and last thing, bacon. Done. All you do is this. Grab a plate, get a napkin, add another one. Another one, yeah. Grab the bacon, After when you're done putting bacon, put another towel on it. Here, now it's better. Then put more bacon. After you're done, just grab one more napkin and just set it up there. Put it in the microwave like at 3 minutes, I guess. If there's no 3, just put an extra 1. If it gets a little steamy, just open it and it pauses, then let some air out. And make sure to check on it. It's fine. Start. Okay. Check on it. Not exactly done. Not exactly ready. Not exactly ready, so just put another minute. Time for a break. Bacon. Here it goes. I take out the bacon, put it on the floor. You got to try to eat it. The end. Let's check on it. Not exactly done, so another minute to see if it actually turns out great. Say hi.
Hi.
Okay, let's check the bacon. Ooh, ready. Is it? Okay, it's gonna be ready because I say so. The bacon ready. Okay, get it slightly. Oh no. I'll be right after the video. Bye. Yummy bacon. Time for a break. Puppy! Ducky, how are you? Yeah, go. You're worthless. Oh, now you're worthless. I was gonna say, now you're doing something useful for once, but now you're worthless. Yummy. Touch. Now the bacon's yummy. Bye.